Spot on the floor. I need her here in 10. I need her here in 9. It's okay, just bring both volumes. 1 or 2. I need us here in 8. You're good, Lane. 7. 6. Thank you for being my first person cue. Ready in 5. Thank you for being seated. Ready here in 4. Come on, Thomas. I'm waiting on you, sweet. In 3. Thank you. 2. I didn't even have to make it to 1. Good job, you guys. All right, let's start with a core count. Tell me what multiplication facts are we trying to master this week? Hazel.
Our 2s and
All
our 10s.
right, 2s and our 10s. Beautiful. So we're going to do a core count. We're going to count by the number 2. But I want us to start today at the number 134. Do you think we can do that?
Yes.
Okay, place 134 in your head. Remember our rules. When I start writing, you
Stop.
Okay, we're going to count by 2s. 134.
136. 138. 140. 142. 144. 146. 148. 150. 152. Stop. I want you to think what number would go in my box. Signals once we're ready. I love how it's on Thomas' chest. He's giving the person behind him time to think. You can count off from where we stop to figure it out. Okay, I think I see all signals. Thomas, tell me what number you think goes in my box. 160. I have some Me Too's. We agree? Okay, I want us all to start at 150. Let's count on. 150. 152. 154. 156. 158. 160.
Was he correct?
Yes.
Let's keep counting.
162. 164.
I want us to think about what number would go in this box. Signals. Alice G, what do we think?
172.
172. We got some people that agree with you. Anybody disagree? Okay, let's see if he's correct. Let's start at 160.
160.
162.
164. 166. 168. 170. 172.
Good job. I have a question. What would go in this box? Candy, tell me what you're thinking.
130.
130. That's some Me Too's. Candy, is there any way that I can solve that to know if you're correct?
So if you look like
Come to the board. Come show us. Do you see a pattern?
yeah.
Come show us your pattern.
So if you look at all of these, you can see 170, 160, 150, 140, 130. It goes, every single one goes another 10 more.
Ooh.
So if you were to look back and we would have 140, 10 less would be 130.
Beautiful. Kiss your brain. He said we're subtracting back. That would have been a minus a 10. So if I'm moving forward, what am I doing?
Plus.
Adding a 10. Brooke, I want you to come to the board. Show me any patterns that you see.
So, I realized this in the ones place.
Okay.
This at the ones place. This will be 2. This will be 2. This will be 2, and then this will be counting by 2s. 2, 4. 0, 2.
Underline
4, 6,
for me,
8.
sweetie, so we all can see.
Okay.
So because we're still counting by twos, you see the twos changing in the ones place. It's your brain. Good job. I'm looking for a different pattern. Give me one more before we unpack our standard. Nash.
I see that in the ones place, it actually stays the same if you go across by rows.
Oh.
4, 4, 4, 4.
4. Oh, so when we go across by rows, the tens change. But when we go down the, what is this called when you go down?
A
A
column.
column, the one change. Get your brain, everybody. Good mental thinking today. Okay, I want us to unpack our learning standard for today. Fingers ready? Let's see if our mouse is ready. Thank you. Your finger is there. You are ready. You're beating me. Pointing to it. Let's read.
I can write equations using the 4 operations with an unknown to solve two-step problems.
I want you to think about that for a minute and then share what stood out to you. Someone have not called on, who have I not called on? Billy. Come to the board. Circle something that stood out to you in this learning target.
Two-step problem.
Why did that stand out to you?
Because, like, we usually do one-step problems, but we're doing two-step problems.
We're doing 2 steps today. Good. Something that stood out to you. Hugh, come show me.
4 operations.
4 operations. You got some me tools in the back. What does 4 operations mean, Hugh?
Adding, subtracting, multiplication, and
Okay, he's talking about the 4 operations we learned so far in 3rd grade. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Lane, what's standing out to you in this learning target?
unknown.
What does that mean? We're in math. What's the unknown?
Like, it's like, it might be an unknown equation or a number.
Oh, unknown equation, a number. How does that look in an equation when it's unknown?
Like 7 times blank equals 14.
Ooh, 7 times blank equal 14. Very good, Lane. Is there any other way we may represent an unknown in math? What's another way we may represent it, Hazel?
Like, say you did like 12 divided by 7 equals, like if you're talking about cars, then you might say C.
Okay. It may not be divided equally, but I got what you're saying, that we may see a variable, a letter for that unknown. One more thing that stands out to us that we're going to be doing today before we start. Liam.
To solve?
Okay, we got to solve it. Can we leave it unanswered?
No.
No. What stood out to you, Evelyn?
Equations.
Why did this stand out to you?
Because we have to have equations to do two-step problems.
To solve it.
And we're going to use the 4 operations in our equation.
We're going to use our 4 operations, and they may be in our equations. Why do equations have an S on it, everybody? Think about it.
Because there's multiple.
Multiple